Good morning, students, and this is Satish Kumar. Today is the first session of online class. We have already discussed about the ray optics and optical instruments, right? And what is ray, what is optics, what are the things that deals with light, everything that we have already discussed. And optical instrument also that we have discussed what are the instrument which is present over there and what is the properties of light, laws of light, and image formation, rules for image formation, mirror formula, lens maker's formula, thin lens, everything that we have already discussed, and you might have already written the assignments also. Okay, so today we are going to see about the topic image formation in human eye. Before that, I would like to tell you what is the last topic that we have seen in the school, that is um, structure of human eye, and what is the parts which is present in the human eye, everything that we have already discussed. In that we have already seen, and this is the ciliary muscles, and this is the lens, and the rays which is coming over there, vitreous humor, and optical nerve, um, cornea, everything that we have already discussed. Okay, so now we are going to see about the image formation in a human eye. If we see the object, for example, if we see a nearby object or a distance object, the object which is present over there, the light is incident from the object and the rays are reaching the human lens, and after that it is captured in the retina. Which part of this part of it? So after that, this part, if it is captured at retina, um, this image is captured and we can see the object. Okay, so in this diagram, if you see the R, the letter which is present over here, is considered as the object, and the rays which is coming out over here and image is captured in the retina, and the image which is captured here is inverted image which is captured, right? So inverted image, if we see the image is captured in the retina as inverted image, how can we understand that it is a straight, right? Because we already studied about the optical nerve. Okay, the image which is captured in the retina is transmitted through the optical nerve to the brain, and the brain transmit into erect image and straight image, and we can view the object. And this is happening within a microseconds, right? Don't think that this process is taking, because we already know this about this within a microseconds, these are all the things which is happening over here. Okay, so when it comes to image formation, image is formed at retina, that we already know, and the focal length of the eye lens is varied by ciliary muscles. Whether the focal length will vary or not. For example, if you see here, what is meant by focal length? Distance between the image, will it vary or not? If you think, somebody think that the eye size will be same, so how can the focal length will vary? So don't think like that. Focal length will vary because of the ciliary muscles, because the lens will become thick and thin, no? So because of that, the focal length will keep on varying. So this may be come in very short answer type of questions in the exams. Okay, focal length of eye lens is varied by the ciliary muscles. Okay, when the object is brought closer to our eye, for example less than 5 centimeters, till 5 centimeters we can see the object clearly. Less than 5 centimeters, if you take the object to your eye, the eyes are finding it difficult to view it clearly. For example, try it on your own. Take a book or some printed paper, take it below 5 centimeters. Below 5 centimeter means that object, the letters should be within 4 or 3 centimeters distance. If you keep it from the eye, your eye find it difficult to capture the image. It looks blur. Okay, so that is the capacity of our human eye. Okay, so that is what it is given in here. When the object is brought closer to eye, it is very difficult to maintain the distance below 5 centimeter. Okay, so the property of a eye, this property of a eye is called power of accommodation. Accommodation means we can see the object nearby also, and we can see the object in very distance also. Stars also that we are seeing, moons also that we are seeing, It is because of the capacity, that is power of accommodation of our eye. Okay, so the lens cannot curve if the object is too close. That is what I said, below 5 centimeters, close to the eye. The lens cannot curve enough to focus the image on the retina, and the image is blurred. If you take the object below 5 centimeters, you can find it difficult and the object will be blurred. Okay, and the closest distance, that is called normal. Normally if we see the object at a particular distance, okay, then there is a normal reading distance that we can say it over there, that is 25 centimeters. That is least distance of distinct vision or near point of our eye. These are the two terms that we use over there, and these are all the things which you have studied in lower classes also. Okay, the standard value of normal vision is taken as 25 centimeters. Okay, and we always mention the symbol D as the near point. Okay, so as you can see here, the near point is given the symbol D. Okay, symbol D is used as the near point. The distance increases with age. How the distance increases with age? For example, if you grow older and older, what will happen? Our ciliary muscles will become weak, and because of this weakness it cannot make the lens to adjust thick or thin or nearby or object or the distance object as quick as possible. So it decreases its effectiveness. Because of this decreases in effectiveness of a ciliary muscle, this problem is happening, and the loss of flexibility of the lens is called this kind of a defectiveness. Okay, so and the next important point is the near point may be as close as about 7 to 8 centimeters in a children 10 years of age. For example, 10 years of age of children's will have the focal length